We're back and we just formed our slime. So mine is a fluffy and kind of foam one.
And mine's fluffy too, and it's very stretchy, and it can make a bubble, and it has a very loud poke.
And my brother's is a basic slime.
It's like soy-based.
Yeah.
It's not really. It has a good crunch. His.
Okay, so now it's time for the bonus round. We have decorations on the wheel, and we can decorate our slime last minute. Charlotte, you go first.
One second.
Spin the wheel.
Okay.
What is she gonna get? What is she gonna get? She got mosaic glitter. Okay, it's glitter. Mystery guy.
You guys, you saw this to make a big
the
one.
mosaic one. Oh, and we have to put more glitter than we usually do. Now I put in
How
mine.
many drops?
1 second. Let me just take it out of mine.
It hurts my fingers. But that's okay. It's kind of like unicorn skin.
Good thing I didn't get.
Okay, that's enough.
That's a lot.
But the only thing
Here, there's one more.
It's not that bad.
Oh, it's okay. Mine really hurts. I got shaving foam. Mystery guy has the shaving foam. Thank you, mystery guy. Okay. Okay, yay! Shaving foam is amazing for fluffy slime. And a lot of it is amazing.
Wait, can I have some shaving cream?
No.
Remember last round?
No. Yeah, but this is the mystery round. Okay, Samir, time for you to spin the mystery wheel of fortune. Fortune for you.
So guys, this round there's no switching.
Peace glitters! Go get the peace glitter!
It hurts your fingers,
We're gonna go get it.
Sophia, it hurts your fingers. Mystery Man, please give it to us.
Thank you, Mystery Man. Okay.
Oh, it was way over there. Mystery Man had to walk over there, and then he was
Okay, we have to put a lot of glitter in this round. Okay. Put all the glitter in. Yes. Okay, now mine is a really ultra fluffy slime. How is yours?
Whoa!
That was big. What's yours, Charlotte?
Mine's like really nice, and it can make very big bubbles. You guys just saw that. And it can stretch very nice. It's like a fluffy slime. It's not rubber. It's just like,
Yeah.
and then it has good crunches. If I go like this, I make a bubble. If I don't put it down, and I go on it, and then I crunch it, it makes good bubbles and good poke.
Mine has a good crunch because I put a lot of foam beads and it's stretchy. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and comment down below which slime you think is better.
Yeah.
Bye!